Peter!
What do you think, bud?
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Maybe I should say.
Oh, you're such a sweet boy. Peter, did Santa bring you any presents?
You better look to see.
You want to go look and see what we can find?
Oh,
Right.
good on. You had a good sleep.
Ugh.
Here comes Claire.
Comes Claire.
Grandpa's in the bathroom, but he's coming soon.
They're both Gilberts.
What do you see, Peter? You don't know? Oh, you're waiting so patiently.
I know. Savor that one.
Yeah, right.
Look at all the presents. Just look at all of them.
Drink it in.
Where's Claire? Claire, did you get any presents?
Look at all the presents.
Oh, I
Did you
think
get any presents? Hi!
Santa Claus came.
I think he
I think Santa Claus came. Okay, I'm sitting down.